cable talk. I guess that's a good way to call it, cable talk. So this is the QD cable that you order if you are going to use batteries on a 48 volt UPS. So SB50 as normal. We have another one here so that they come apart, and that then feeds into the next part, which is very similar to the QD cable for the 36 volt, except there is only one string. And it's all SB50s. And we have the QD at the bottom to allow you to go and connect up a battery that is offline. You connect this part here to the battery, you arrive in the truck, put everything in bypass, break this apart, swap the batteries out, plug this back in, and you're away to the races again. So just remember, it's one string. There is no option to put two strings of batteries, because that would be 8 batteries, and I'm sure none of you have space for that. So this is fairly straightforward. It's just a slightly different version of the 36. Any questions? You can go and contact us at info@techpowerdevelopmentsinc.com, and we'll get you the answer.